Amber, your garden mother. I am here on the Brandywine project. It's going to be super fun. We're basically going from absolutely nothing to everything. They have no landscaping in the front, just grass, vines, weeds, all that great stuff. We're actually going to be building the landscape, doing hedges, flowers, color, everything. So get ready, go grab your mask, your hand sanitizer, sit back and relax and watch us work. See you soon. Okay, go. So here is our plan for today, and you guys could see from the beginning what we're starting with is absolutely nothing. So there are a lot of different plants that we're going to be working with, from Walter's Viburnum to Loropetalum. We're going to have some really beautiful drift roses up here, and then out away from the house you'll see we're going to have two different tree islands. One is going to be a live oak and one is going to be a chase tree. We're also creating a really beautiful little bedding area over here on the side of the driveway, and it'll be exciting to see how everything comes together. So here we are, staging is complete. So the guys from Central Florida Landscaping are here. They're going to help me with the install today. So if you want, we'll do kind of a walkthrough real quick. Out front here you can see our two tree circles. The one on the left hand side has that beautiful vitex. Chase tree, Shoal Creek is the variety. And then around that is the dwarf firebush as well as those fantastic blue days. And then the next tree circle has a live oak and those really beautiful pinwheel jasmine that we've used in the past with those brilliant white flowers. And of course, those blue days. And then we'll just walk up here to the front. Same experience, just a little bit different plants. The little hedge in the back is called Walter's Viburnum. It's the dwarf variety. So it'll get to be at the most 3 feet tall. That's really the most we want it to get. And then again in the center here is that chase tree. Has really beautiful, brilliant purple flowers, but the foliage is also highly fragrant too. So that's a really great ornamental specimen tree that you guys could implement into your garden, and the pollinators love it. Then we're just going to pan back through over here. We have some boxwood going on and some roses in the center. We kind of use the boxwood to create an imaginary fence. We have those beautiful red chocolate loropetalum. And on the inside are those red drift roses. We've used those in the past in coral or peach and the red. So those 3 varieties are really the best 3 varieties to use. So guys, thanks so much for joining us today on the Brandywine project. It was a big one, but what a huge difference some beautiful plants and mulch do. If you have any questions or comments, please make sure you reach out to me below. Like and subscribe, spread the word, get out there, get dirty, grab your mask, your hand sanitizer. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.